on at last. We hear each other plain. Cover in turn, not answering your pair.
Before you say another word, Javert, before you keep me here till 10:30, listen to me, there is something I must do. This woman's breathing like a suffering child. There's none but me who can intercede in emergency's name, and ABG's all I need. Then I'll return your page, I swear, then I'll return.
You must think me mad. Been paging you across the wards. Interns like you can never change. Interns such as you. Men like you can never change. Men like me are filled with rage. Pager,
you know nothing of the mess.
2460.
I just need this blood gas.
My duties to the ward on days, not nights. Chase this truck 24601. My VM has come around. Overtime means nothing now. Dare you talk of overtime and how late you had to stay? These X-rays need to be chased. Somehow you must find a way. You know nothing of the ward. My patience are almost frail. I'm handing over to you. Do what you've been paid to do.
And this I'll hand over tonight.
Please call cards if those drops should rise.
Patients will live within my care.
And I'm on cover Saturday.
Then we should try to grab a bite. I swear to you, I will be there.
You used to call me on my. You used to. Yeah. You used to call me on my cell phone. Late night when you need my love. Call me on my cell phone.
Just a few seconds of listening and then start off.
Late night when you need my
Holy shit.
Ever since I left the city, you got a reputation for yourself now. Everybody knows and I feel left out.
I'm looking at the camera, so I'm looking again. Yes.
Started wearing less and going out more. Glasses of champagne out on the dance floor. Hanging with some girls I never seen before. You used to call me.
Yeah, gotta do that again.
You think?